Every morning, Aman and Rishi met at the same park before work. Two friends, same routine, but one small habit quietly changed everything. Aman loved his 500 rupee cafe latte.
Life is short,
He'd say.
so why not enjoy the good stuff?
Rishi saved that rupees 500 and set up a daily SIP. Rishi didn't skip the coffee. He just skipped the cafe to avoid the unwanted expense.
It's just 500 rupees.
Rishi smiled and said,
Exactly.
10 years went by. Aman had approximately 3,000 cups of coffee, while Rishi had over 18 lakhs growing quietly in his SIP. Looking at his friend now, Aman realized his mistake.
Yaar, I wasted my wealth.
He remarked. It was not a significant investment. It was just a small habit that was repeated every day. Small savings may not feel powerful in the moment, but given time, they build something big. If you got daily expenses, you've got a daily investment opportunity. Start with the HDFC Bank SmartWealth App. 10 years from now, you won't miss the rupees 500 spent, but you'll thank yourself for investing it.